back to Life My Wife and Vlogmas Day 9. Okay, I was going to do a full cooking show today, and I've had a couple rough days. So I'm going to show you, but anyways, yeah. Two of my daughters are in the hospital. One with pneumonia, and the other one still being diagnosed probably with the same thing. And then I think 3 or 4 of my grandkids are sick with whatever bug's going around. On the weekend, my girls had their sister Christmas. And yeah, there was a large group of people. So anyways, let me show you what I'm making. This is my mom's sweet and sour ribs. So it's 1/2 cup ketchup, 1 cup chopped celery, large onion, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup vinegar, 1 cup brown sugar. And you shake your ribs in flour and salt and brown them, and then pour the sauce over and throw them in a casserole. I'm not doing the casserole. I'm doing the slow cooker. So there's the ribs all browned up. And right here, now because I have a lot of ribs, I've decided to double the recipe and just have a portion for supper and then throw the rest in the freezer. So in here I've got the brown sugar down at the bottom, chopped celery and onions. I forgot to get soy sauce. Here we go. And because I'm doubling, I'm going to put a 1/2 cup. I'm going to put a little extra just because that's all that's left in the bottle. Okay, and then a full cup of ketchup. I remember when I was a little girl, my mom would make these at Christmas time. And okay, and then a full cup of vinegar. Oh my. Oh. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to mix that up, pour it over the ribs, and it'll be on until we decide to eat supper tonight. So we'll show you that when we get there. There's the ribs all done. Kevin's got his. Give him a try and see if they're as good as my mom's.
I can't remember it. As good as your mom's. Sauce is good. They're hot.
I know.
Well,
all right, we'll be back with the advents. All right. You having some raspberries and blueberries tonight, buddy? Yeah? You love sharing those with Mommy, don't ya?
I need a napkin. Thank you. All right. Welcome. Vlogmas Day 9.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Time is just blowing by.
Mm-hmm.
Right, buddy?
We've had a rough couple days, haven't we, buddy? We've been worrying about our girls back home and the kids. Yeah.
Right.
And little Reese.
Lori.
Speaking of wreaths, I have been asked to make a wreath for New Year's Eve for one of the legions here in the city.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay. Oh. We have the garage. Griswold's family home. And
More.
we have, oh, got one of the little reindeers.
Oh, cute.
Okay. Now for the Advent reading. Day 9. At night, there were shepherds protecting their flocks in the fields around Bethlehem.
That's such a pretty picture. The berries are yummy, aren't they? All right. I think Mommy and Daddy are going shopping tomorrow night. You think we should take our friends with us? Yeah? Oh, okay.
Yep.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Christmas lights are on.